Yeah, I got an idea. I'm going to cook something sweet. I have here the oatmeal. Yeah, I just put some water. And I have this, the mungo beans that I cook maybe 2 days ago. Yeah, I put some here. Actually, I'm not sure what is going to happen with this. And then I'm also going to put some of this oat. I still have some of this brown sugar. And this is how it is now. Okay, we'll just boil that. And I don't know what is going to happen. But I remember that when I was a kid, we regularly have a pre-food in the classroom. Yeah, and we called it tutong. Yeah. And I never tasted that tutong anywhere else, just in the classroom. Yeah, my parents, they are not cooking that. The restaurant, they are not selling that. Yeah, but only in the classroom. And I never tasted anything like that after my elementary. Yeah, in high school or anywhere until now, I never tasted that totong. Oh, that. Oh, look at that. They are there. I don't know what those birds are doing there. Yeah. And I check on the internet and it's just yeah, it's mungo beans. I'm not sure if it's the red one or the green one, or this one. And it says on the internet that it also comes with the rice, glutinous rice, and coconut milk. But I don't have coconut milk, but I have soya milk and condensed milk. And this is how it looks now. Yeah, nice. The milk that I'm going to use is soy milk. We put. Let's try. Oh, delicious. Actually, not really. I mean, need something more. I don't know what is that. Milk. Yeah, it should be coconut milk. Okay, that's it. Yeah. And this is the same thing that we are using in the kitchen. We called it chucks. I'm going to chuck it now in the bin. And I have a new one here. Also, this is what we are using in our kitchen, in every kitchen restaurant here in Australia. In Dubai, we are not using something like this or any tea towel in the kitchen. What we are using is a paper towel. So yeah, we have like a paper towel everywhere, and just take it, and it's disposable, and that is what we use to clean the table, wipe the wet, for cleaning. And I said that I have a condensed milk. We put a little. Too much so. Oh, the condensed milk didn't really add taste. Still good somehow. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, that's the clock that I fixed yesterday. I already had my cup of coffee this morning around 6 o'clock. Oh, it's loose. And also I had the breakfast, which is just egg and eggplant with some vegetable fried. Yeah. And now we are going outside to just sing along with the music while on my bike. They had a mind like yours and no. Yeah, at the moment we are here in top of the hill. Yeah, this is my usual stop whenever I'm going to work or whenever I'm just out for biking around. Yeah, at the moment this is how it is. Yeah, this is the local bus here in Port Stephens. Yeah, so at the moment it is like this. As you can see, it is cloudy. You don't see much of the blue sky. Yeah, also the water looks really calm. There's no so much movement going on in the water. And notice that the water also are showing some blue parts, dark parts. Maybe those with dark parts are maybe there are some plants, and the blue one or maybe a shallow water with the white sand. I'm not really sure, but it looks beautiful in here. Yeah, I am day up today, and today we're just going to bike around. We're just going to explore the different flowers around here in Port Stephen. And let's just start with this one. This looks beautiful. Yeah, this is actually a tree. As you can see, it's a little bigger tree, and it's fully covered with that kind of nice looking flower. Really nice. Oh, this one dog here. Yeah, those flowers, most of the flower they are showing in a specific season. Like this time it is spring here in New South Wales. Yeah, but previously there are more beautiful flowers. Yeah, the last winter time. Oh, this is how it is here. There are many people in there walking their dog, and some are fishing. Yeah, nice. Yeah, some just walking around. Go walking fast all of my life. Something's telling me it might be you. The current temperature is 21 degrees. So yeah, wearing something like a sweater is comfortable. Actually, there is already a small droplets of water coming down here. I hope it's not going to be strong or as rain. Oh, we are now heading back to the same way. We'll be heading to town center, and we are here again where the bird is always attacking me. Let's see if it's going to attack me today. And nothing to lose. Oh yeah, I got time and nothing to lose. Good morning. Just like a dying ember that's burning to my soul. Okay, we're going past now because it's raining. The rain is not heavy, it is bearable. Yeah, but it can make you wet, really. But you know, I don't feel like going home yet. I feel like biking around first. Yeah, there are many people in the town center. I can see it from here. Also, yeah, down there also many people. Oh, that restaurant is open today because we are early. I see a lot of scuba diver. I don't know, if you look at it, it looks like sampaguita, the leaves. But then you will realize that this one is a little thinner. Yeah, than the sampaguita that I know. Yeah, it's like this. Yeah, it's nice. here there are bunch of flowers, different flowers. This is how it is when it's dry already, but when it's newly bloom. Yeah, this is not newly bloomed, it's like the middle bloom. Yeah, it's going to dry soon. Okay, we're just going to buy a cappuccino in this restaurant. Oh, just now I noticed that the water today is green. Why is it green? Yeah, the water looks a little green today. And as you can see in there are many small fish that is swimming. Okay, we're going to go to the wharf inside there. Let's see. Yeah, it's allowed to get up here. So basically this wharf has this weighing station. Ferry that is staying here or stopping here is the one that is going to the other side, the tea garden. It is high tide. As you can see, the water is reaching the bottom of the stairway. Yeah, very less tourists this time. As you can see that Dolphin Watch cruise, not so much people. Oh, there are people, they are biking under the rain. Nice. And yeah, I am here. I hide from the rain. And it's beautiful still. From time to time there are some people that are walking around here. Yeah, it is still raining. It's been an hour now that I am sitting here. And already there is one family that is staying here. They eat something and they left already. Oh, where I am actually is a picnic area. Yeah, picnic space. As you can see there in here, there is something like a barbecue place. This is automatic. Every place here in Australia have something like this. And all you need to do to operate this is just press this button for 6 seconds and will start to operate. Basically this barbecue place lasts for a few minutes. Turn barbecue off manually by pressing the button. Yeah, that is how it works. So it's free, and every morning facilities like this is being cleaned by the council employees. Every morning around 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock they come to every toilet, every barbecue space to clean it. Rain is slowed down a little bit, so we can bike around now. Stop, turn on. There is a couple, they are fishing. Nice. We're just going to use the toilet. Here in Australia there is toilet everywhere, and toilet here usually have the shower and of course the cubicle, and this the where do people urine. I noticed that there are more flowers last winter season than these days. Oh, look at that, that restaurant is busy, and as I can see from here there are people waiting in the door to get inside. And at the moment there is a couple, they are fishing, and it's nice because if you can see those that color blue, it's something like a chair with the cover. I mean protection from the rain. Really nice. Okay, we hide in this information area. The rain, it's you can see the droplets. I'm stuck on you. Got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Yes, I'm on my way. Oh, you know, in the Philippines, when someone is not a good singer, people make fun that, oh, don't sing because this is going to rain. Yeah, so maybe it is raining because I am singing. They are actually closed already. What available are those just drinks like this and some snacks. So I stop here because I see that cute rabbit. He's not afraid. Most of the rabbit, they will run right away. It's not allowed to eat inside here, so always take away. Feels a lot. Yeah. Oh, look at this flower. Again, it's beautiful. It's like a fence. It's like a house wall decoration. That double bike, I've seen them since I started biking this morning. This afternoon. A little bit of sun is showing. Okay, we're going to sit here. Oh, there's one dinosaur. Wow, it's nice. Good looking, huh? We sit here. This is calamari, and it costs $14.50. I see the people that are passing through here, and they have so many fly at their back. Maybe I also have. We are going now, going home. We are going to get inside here. I went here before, but yeah, there are two people, so I don't want to disturb them. That's why I didn't continue. But there is actually a place here where you can sit, and you're going to see a beautiful view. You're my perfect one. At the moment there's a woman. Okay, so it is impossible to drive here with this bike. But if you remember my first electric bike, yeah, it can really go through this sand. Because that one is a fat tire e-bike.